Welcome to the Camera Sim tutorial. So what we're going to do is look at how to use the camera simulator. Now, if you are using this on your phone, it's going to look a little different than it does on the computer, but all of the attributes should still be there. You just might have to poke around a little bit. So looking at this frame here, what we can see is we can see lots of settings that you can choose to change the values here. So first off, as we go through these activities, you want to be shooting in manual mode. And what that means is you are making all of the choices as we go through, okay? And with that, all of these are open. If you're finding it difficult to do the exercises, whatever the intention of the exercise is, you might want to shoot in that mode, because shutter or aperture priority mode, what those do is it takes one of these components, as you can see, I can't select this one, out of the mix, and the camera will automatically do that for you. So those are there if you need them, but I'd like you to try to do these exercises in manual mode because you can try as many times as you would like. So you've got your modes here, and you can change those modes on here. And then over here, you can change the weather or the lighting. You can also change the distance that you are from said subject. And then you can also change the focal length or how zoomed in or out you are. Okay. As you can see, when you change these values here, things move up here. So this is your shutter speed value, your aperture value. This is your ISO, and this is your metering. When that meter is close to the middle, that means that you are going to get a properly exposed photo, meaning it's clear and crisp and has enough light. So what are all these terms that I keep talking about? Well, you will find them out as we move through the activities. But just a quick tutorial, ISO is your camera's sensitivity to light. So a lower number means your camera is going to be less sensitive to light. If you noticed, my metering went down. And if you choose to change the aperture, what you are doing is you are changing how much light is being let in to the camera, okay? So either a large amount of light or a small amount of light. And with that, as you see, when I changed it to an f-stop of 2.8, which is a large number, the metering went up. So last but not least, shutter speed. This is how quickly or how slowly the shutter opens and closes on the camera. So if you look at that value, right, a very fast shutter is going to let less light in. And as you can see, the value here goes down. So with that, use this video tutorial to help you complete the exercises as we move through the assignments. And when you have finished and you've taken a photo for an assignment, make sure to submit that here. Each photo assignment gets submitted on this document. And if you choose to do this assignment later or open it and come back to it later, you can feel free to hit the submit button, click the link again, and it'll let you edit after you submit it. It'll let you change or add to the Google form. So feel free to submit. In fact, it'll save your work and save you some heartache if you happen to hit a tech glitch. So that is it. Feel free to move through the assignments. Let me know if you have any further questions. I'm always here to help.